In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order proof copies on KDP, a helpful tutorial for beginners. Whether you're an aspiring author or a seasoned publisher, the ability to hold a physical copy of your book in your hands is both thrilling and essential for finalizing your masterpiece. Proof copies are invaluable for checking the design, layout, and overall feel of your book before making it available to the masses. Now let's dive into the process. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to your KDP Bookshelf. This is your central hub for managing your titles on Kindle Direct Publishing, where you can keep track of your progress and manage your drafts. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface, as it will be your go-to place for all publishing activities on KDP. Once you're on the bookshelf, look for the specific draft you need a proof copy of. Under its details, you'll find an option labeled Order Proofs. This option is typically situated near other actions you can take for a draft you're working on. Clicking on it will initiate the process for ordering your proof copies, taking you to a page where you'll make some key decisions about your order. Now it's time to select the marketplace and quantity for your proof copies. The marketplace refers to the regional Amazon site you'd prefer to use, such as Amazon.com or Amazon.co.uk. Consider the marketplace that is most convenient for you in terms of shipping and distribution. As for the quantity, think about how many proof copies you might need. You might want just one for yourself, or several to share with editors, collaborators, or potential reviewers. It's important to balance cost with necessity, as ordering multiple copies can help you get comprehensive feedback, but you should ensure not to overorder. Once you've made your selections, it's time for the final step: placing your order. You'll be prompted to confirm the details before proceeding. Make sure everything is correct, from the details of the book to the shipping and payment information. Once you're satisfied that everything is in order, go ahead and place your order. You'll receive a confirmation, and your proof copies will be printed and shipped to you shortly. Be sure to check the estimated delivery time, as this can vary based on marketplace and location. Ordering proof copies on KDP is truly a straightforward process once you know your way around. Just remember to double-check your details at each step to avoid any mix-ups. Having a physical proof is an excellent resource in preparing your book for publication and ensuring that it meets your standards and the expectations of your readers. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel ready to